friends, I am Siddharth and I appeared for IBPS PO6 examinations last year and I got selected as a PO in the Bank of Maharashtra. And for this I would like to attribute my success towards excellent tutorial who trained me for this, and they also conducted periodic mock tests, be it online and offline, which helped me gain confidence, and they also provided me with updated study materials like current affairs. It was very compact and it helped me save a lot of time. And finally, I would like to thank all the teachers who provided me with their valuable guidance. And one thing there is that if you want to join a nationalized bank, then join Excellent Tutorial. And all the best for all the future aspirants. Thank you.